Okay, good afternoon. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ Lyons Sotheby's, Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm in Phoenix at North 40th Street and East Thunderbird, respectively. We're at 13828 North 37th Way, 85032. Brand new listing on the market. It's gorgeous, has a lot to offer, a lot that conveys with it. First and foremost, the solar. Bought and paid. Done. Awesome. Don't have to worry about a lease or anything like that. 2-car garage. Let's go in the front of the house. I'm going to try to knock this out in one setting instead of 2 different videos, but let me see what I can do. Okay, so we've got the front living room, dinette, and kitchen. It's got front hall closet, full fireplace, which you can elect to have heat come out or not, and you can still have the flame if you want. TV conveys with the sound bar. The ring system conveys. Here's the kitchen, wine bar, or the wine fridge conveys. There's a pantry here too. Updated lighting. Couch is negotiable. Really nice 2-car garage, which I'll get to in a minute. I just want to try to get through to the backyard and then we'll go in through the house. Mainly I wanted to show this beautiful diving pool. All the filters and everything have been replaced. Great condition. Lawn chair furniture conveys and the pots and plants and so forth. The swans. So we've got outdoor solar lighting here, so it's lit up at night, really nice. This is plumbed for an outdoor barbecue kitchen area. Conveys with the house. The house was painted a couple weeks ago at the end of July. Brand new HVAC, air conditioning system, heating system, not even 2 weeks old, brand new. TV conveys. Let me go through the hallway here. We've got guest bedroom number 2. She was using as an exercise room with display. This Peloton Schwinn deal probably would convey as well. Got the guest bath. Nice. Here's the guest bedroom number 3. Nice, ready to roll. Primary suite. Beautiful closet doors, brand new. TV conveys. There's the stand-up shower. It's not the black and white and gray on-trend features, which I think are passé at this point. This is a little old school, but the tile is travertine and just gorgeous. Really nice. And new shower heads and everything too. So, all set there. So now I'm going to go in and show you the CASITA, which is under roof. Totally awesome. Private lock, completely separate from the house, although it is under roof. Everything in here conveys. Fridge, microwave, Keurig, everything. There's pots, pans, tea, whatever you want, it's here. Murphy bed falls down, or rather you move the cushions and then the Murphy bed comes down. It's air conditioning. Beautiful. This is rentable because there's no HOA here. So we were getting about $1,300 a month for this space. Some long-term, depending on the person who is staying, maybe contract nurse or something to that effect. Or it also could be just a weekend stay in Phoenix. Very popular in the winter when it's ice cold everywhere else. Anyways, thank you for watching. I hope that this all conveys up into the YouTube world here. Everything in here conveys. Washer and dryer are within 5 years old. They look great, work perfect. Water softener, perfect. And thank you once again. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out 480-203-3704 or kurt@kurtmboyd.com. Thank you kindly. Have a wonderful day.